Hello scholars, in our previous session we have seen different tall and short objects, and also we learned how to measure the length of these objects using different non-standard units. Now today we will see different heavy and light objects. Kids, can you see here different heavy and light objects? So here in this first picture the elephant and one butterfly is there. And you know, elephant is heavier than butterfly and butterfly is lighter than elephant, right? Now the next one is stone and feather, and the stone is heavier than feather and feather is lighter than the stones. Means the weight of the stones is more than the feather. Kids, we measure the weight of different objects by using this type of balances. Here, the first one is digital balance and the second one is pen balance. Kids, when you went to the grocery shop or vegetable market, then you must have seen this type of balances, right? Kids, let's see this picture carefully. Here, there is a watermelon in one pan and an apple in the another pan. And you observe that the pan with a watermelon went down and a pen with an apple went up. Kids, always remember that the pen with a heavier object always goes down and a pen with lighter object always goes up. It means here watermelon is heavier than an apple and an apple is lighter than a watermelon. Kids, look at this picture carefully. Here, there is a bag in one pan and a teddy bear in the another pan. And kids, can you observe here? The pan with a bag went down and a pan with a teddy bear went up. It means here the bag is heavier than teddy bear, and on the other hand teddy bear is lighter than a bag. Kids, look here. This Rohan wants to eat these yummy cookies. One jar has chocolate cookies in it and the another jar has vanilla cookies in it. Kids, chocolate cookie jar is bigger, so it has more cookies, and the vanilla cookie jar is smaller, so it has less cookies. It means this bigger jar has more capacity and the smaller jar has less capacity. Kids, now look at these objects. Here, this bucket holds more water and the mug holds less water. It means the bucket has more capacity and the mug has less capacity. Now let's see this one. This spoon holds less liquid and this pan holds more liquid. It means this spoon has less capacity and this pan has more capacity. Kids, look at this bottle. This bottle holds less water and this pot holds more water. It means this bottle has less capacity and this pot has more capacity.